Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can schedule your post on the Facebook page, because sometimes we want to schedule post on the Facebook page and we want to set days and times on our post on the Facebook page, and we want that our post will automatically published even we are not using Facebook page on that times. So in this video, I will show you how you can easily schedule your post on the Facebook page. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open your Facebook application, and here you will see the options of three lines on top right. Click on it and select your page, and then you will see profile icon of your page. Click on it and then scroll down the page and you will see pictures icon. Click on it and then select the post which you want to schedule. So for example, I want to schedule this post, so I will click on it. Then click on next. Again click on next. And then click on not now. And here you can see schedule options. Click on it. And here you can see schedule for later. Click on it. And here select the date on which you want to publish your post. So for example, I want to publish my post on this date, so then I will click on OK after selecting the date, and then select the time. So for example, I want to publish this post on this time, so after selecting times, click on OK and then go back and then click on post options. So in this way you can schedule your post on the Facebook page and your post will be published automatically on the given times and days. So in this way you can schedule your post. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.